Hey everyone, it's Samantha with A Wealthy Hairstylist and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a sneak peek of my hair extension install on my lovely assistant Laisha. And little do people know, she actually struggles with alopecia. So I'm going to strategically place the extensions above her areas where she is sparse with hair to help give her more fullness and to make her feel like herself again. So we are going back to dark, baby. Long hair. Back, Break Room Talks. I'm here with my beautiful assistant Laisha, and today we are going to install extensions on her. So we decided we are going to do one row, possibly one and a mini. It just depends on how much of a good blend I could achieve with one row. So if I could get my client to have one row, then I will stick with that. So usually I will install the one row, blow dry the section above, and if the blend looks great, keep it. If not, then I'll usually add another mini weft right above that. So we have my 18-inch natural extensions, and they are pretty dark. And she decided that she is happy with this color. She doesn't necessarily want to go like jet black. She feels it washes her out. And we decided that we do want to keep these little bits of pops around her face. So I decided we're gonna foil the little face framing highlights that are purple in a foil, and we will refresh the color with Grape. There we go. With I'm sorry, it's not Pravanna. We have, oh, it is Pravanna. Pravanna Vivids. Grape. This is an awesome dark cool purple if you need to use this. So we'll refresh the highlights around her face with this color, and then everything else on her is going dark because right now she does have lavender all over. But we're gonna just go straight dark and keep the pops around her face. So formula wise, I think for your hair, we'll mix up shades. Maybe like a 3, level 3, maybe a little bit of 2. I don't wanna take her too dark. I don't want her to be like a jet black. I want her to match these as much as possible. So I'm thinking Redken shades, we will do probably a 3N and maybe a little cap of a 2. So let's get mixing. So we decided on Pravanna Vivid Purple Grape. This is a super dark, cool purple, and I put this in foils around her face to make her existing purple highlights deepen and darken a bit more. Her all over color and wefts, we decided to go 3N shades and 1B. I needed a kicker of the 1B to add that depth and coolness to her hair. And of course, while Laisha is processing, I can't just let her hang around, so she's got to prep her beads for her install. So we got that going, and her purple wefts are processing. Here you can see this is my placement for my foils for her purple. And this is going to be my sectioning for where I'm going to be placing the wefts for her main row. And of course, my phone has to fall on the floor, but we got it, and back to our scheduled routine. I'm going to start my bead work and go all the way around her head to install a hidden bead method. And this is my final bead work, my one row, and these are her colored wefts. We wanted to go dark. We definitely needed the natural wefts to be darkened a smidge to match the color on her hair, and this is her beautiful wefts placed for her one main row. Looks so good, and nothing beats a custom haircut. I'm all about a great blend, so I do trim into my client's natural hair and the extensions to make everything blend seamlessly. Look how excited she is. She is so happy, and the blend is beautiful. I gave her a ton of face framing layers to help connect her natural shoulder length. And we did decide on a little mini, so as you can see, it is hidden there, and the main row is installed, and look, it looks just like her natural hair. And now on to curling her hair. She wanted a 1-inch barrel, so this is the Ionic extra long barrel. And I'm definitely fast forwarding this because you don't want to see me curl for 10 minutes. But the brush out is beautiful. Look how pretty. The blend, the color. I think she is so excited and probably in a little bit of a state of shock with the big change that she just went through.
and to feel like herself again and have her hair back with what she used to have. I am so honored to be able to help her with this, and she looks absolutely beautiful. And she's wearing 1.5 rows of 18-inch extensions to help achieve fullness and length.
Wow. I spoke to one of my friends amazing. And she said that so
This is her gorgeous after. So, so beautiful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your behind the scenes hair and beauty business tips. I'll see you soon.